Good afternoon. My name is Thomas Lilly. These are my group mates. Before I start my demonstration, I'd just like to specify I'm a mechatronics student, so I was only required to complete part A of the mini project. This is my wiring and setup for the project. I took the circuit board of WP5 and just modified it with a second button right over here, which I connected to ground on the one pin, and on the other pin I connected to, if we follow the gray wire, that would be GPIO27. The buzzer is also slotted in here with the negative pin connected to ground, and the positive pin connected with the red wire all the way to GPIO22. So the essential design principle I went with is that obviously the first button from the previous assignment right there still changes the mode. The default is at 5-second intervals, but if you press it, it will change to 10 seconds, and then if you click it again, it'll go back to 1, and the cycle goes like that. I've also implemented the buzzer in a warning that the mode has been changed. So when you click the button, which I specified right there, then the buzzer will activate, and a little star will be displayed on the output indicating that the mode has been changed. The top button, which has been added this assignment, pauses the whole process and stops the logging from the sensors, as well as clears the output of previous values and begins anew. So if you press it once, it pauses. If you press it again, the process resumes at, the given period it was at. So here's a basic overlook at my code. It will be in the report. Essentially, I just added a couple more global variables just to specify, such as the pause option and buzz mode, whether it's false or true. Then in the specification for the GPIO pins, I added the button 2 GPIO, and the buzzer could be included in the GPIO specifications of button 1 because that's when it's triggered. The buzz was specified as GPIO22 was specified as an input pin, as an output pin, there is no input from a buzzer. But I digress. Going further down, the code has been modified down here depending on whether it detects the buzzer has been pressed or not, as well as giving us a 0.5-second buzz when the mode change has been pressed. It also pauses the thread and continues it once the button gets pressed again. Now for the demonstration, we just go, there we go. Okay, so once I hit enter, as we can see, the time pops up and it begins going at, sorry, my hand's a bit shaky, at 5-second intervals. I've got the time, the system timer, temperature 25.8 degrees. I include the light as well. I read the design overview as it needed to know the light level in the lizard's enclosure, so I might as well include it. On the right is the buzzer. At the moment it's reading blank because nothing has been pressed. Now if I press this pin that changes the mode, I'll give it a click. It buzzed a little. Now it's gone to 10 seconds. As you can see, it only 5 seconds moved on, but it's detected the button press and the buzzer has a little star by it. After 10 seconds we get 50 and the buzzer's off once again. If I press the same button one more time, after 10 seconds we'll get, hopefully, the same little star, and now it's down to 1 second. I've implemented the conversion to the minute, seconds, and hour display, as well as the actual time. Let me just put that back to 5 seconds, so it's not as chaotic. And now we have a whole bunch of logs. If I now press the top button for pause and clear, it has cleared the output and logging has stopped. If I give it one more press, the exact same button down here, it re-begins the process at the previous specified mode of 5 seconds with the same time, same output, still got the time, and yeah, that is the basic demo of my circuits. Thank you for your time.